Good morning, Zimbabwe. This is Gibbs Dube in Powdersville in Greenville. This is a place in South Carolina. This is Zimbabwe today. So today I'm here in South Carolina where we're going to witness what is called a total solar eclipse. So I'm in an area where there's going to be, totality in terms of darkness. It will be as dark as night. So I'm happy that I've been talking to so many residents here and they are really looking forward to seeing this kind of, natural phenomenon. So I'm lucky again. I've got a lady here. She will introduce herself to you guys, and let's hear. How are you?
Hi, how you doing? My name is Katrina, and I've been a resident of Easley, South Carolina for 34 years now. And we are very excited about seeing the total eclipse tonight. Well, today, not tonight. I guess it's going to look like nighttime, huh?
Yes. So now, what makes you to be so excited about this?
Because it's something you never see. This will be the only time in my lifetime, in my children's lifetime, that we will see an event like this. So, yeah, we're real excited. The schools are preparing to have a showing for all the children. They're having a lot of events around here so that everybody can witness the eclipse. Yes.
So how many people are going to be watching? I guess there are so many people coming here?
Everybody. You have people coming out of town to this area because it's supposed to be an area where you can view it the most. So yeah, it's a lot of people. Hotels are booked up. People are coming from everywhere.
So where are you going to be?
I will be at home. Yes, I'm going to watch it from home. I was hoping my kids will be able to watch it with me, but it's so hard to locate these solar glasses right now. So I'm going to be at home watching it with my husband.
So now, what do you think it's going to look like?
Oh, goodness. Well, I guess from what everybody else is saying, it's going to be like a ring, maybe a ring of light in the middle of darkness.
And does it sound scary?
Very scary.
Why are you scared?
Well, I heard it's supposed to knock out a lot of power. People with solar panels. I don't know. It's just different, I guess. That's what makes it so scary. It's something different, something we've never seen before.
But in terms of business, is it good for you guys here?
I'm sure it is. They've sold a lot of the glasses. A lot of places are opening their doors and opening their, I guess, to let people come in and see. So I think it's going to be good for business. Yeah. So now, there are some people who are saying that you shouldn't look at the sun directly. Are you aware of that? And if you are aware of that, have you got your glasses already? I'm going to pick up my glasses now.
Where?
And my friend actually was able to get me to, so I'm going to go to her house and pick her some up from her. But they say it will damage your eyes if you look at it directly. So we're going to be better safe than sorry. Yeah.
So what are the other myths that you've heard about this kind of thing? There's so many myths, man. Yeah.
I really don't know. I can't answer that one.
Yeah. So now, at the end of the day, is this going to benefit America?
I would hope it would be something that could bring everybody closer together and, maybe an awakened moment so everybody could be together and enjoy this together.
Yeah, and I guess you've got some message for Americans. 1 line, 2 lines for Americans about the solar eclipse?
Grow from it. It's a change. It's something different. So let's change with it and grow with it. Be different.
Yes.
Yes.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you.